I am Danny and welcome to my channel, where my experiences become your adventures. Today's journey brings us to Albany, Georgia, to the Southwest Georgia Regional Fair. Before entering the fairgrounds, you have to navigate your way through this building, where there are local vendors along with this awesome car display provided by the Exchange Club of Albany, promoting their April 2023 car show. And a fair wouldn't be complete without the corn dogs, lemonade, popcorn, cotton candy. There's a pizza stand and slushies. And look at this chicken stand. Look at the chicken and the turkey legs. And here's walking down the midway. Got plenty of good kiddie rides. Well set up for children. There's Mario. And there's the dinosaur. This ride is called the Skyfall. Let's sit and check this thing out. Let's go for a ride on the Haunted Mansion. Should be a pretty good dark ride. It wasn't all that intense, but it was still a good thrill. How about the way they did their Gravitron? The Force, a Star Wars theme. It looks to be out of service today. May the Force be with it. And a fair has gotta have that Ferris wheel. This is a pretty big one too. It's been 2 years since the James E. Strates Shows been to Albany due to the pandemic. My wife and I had a great time, and I hope you did too. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And remember to hit that bell so you will be notified when I release my next video. See y'all the next time.